I'm back with another program with you guys. So today we're gonna go and watch all of the animals in the world. Come and learn with us. Be with us every time because every week we will be talking about some animals. And you guys will learn how to know what animal has what factions, what animal has what things, what animal eats. You guys will learn that. Hello. You have blue eyes. So guys, this is a cat. This is a really meat eater. These tigers and lions really like meat. They eat every kind of meat. Even if you cook meat, they would just eat it. So this is a bear, and you can't keep a bear in your home. Knowing the meat eaters, knowing the waterfall animals, knowing the animals that have wings. Oh, speako animals, makeables. More information from us in First TV. Just wait for us.